Hello students. So let's continue with the chapter number 2, advanced features of the Windows 7. Some of the topics are already explained to you. Now let's continue with the next one. The next topic is changing the view of the files and the folders. So as you know that the previous topic was about the Windows Explorer, you have learned about it, that how to start the Windows Explorer. So after starting the Windows Explorer, how we can change the views of the files and the folder. So if you want to start the Windows Explorer, as you know there are two ways. I'm just repeating it again and just revising it. So one of the method is that on the taskbar there's a Windows Explorer button is given, just click on it, or File Explorer or the Windows Explorer is same. Just click on it, so it will display like this. First method. The second method is go to the Start button and then select the option File Explorer, or in your system it may be Windows Explorer, so you don't have to confuse, it is the same thing. So in this way it is started. Now there are two parts in it, or you can say two panes in it, the left side and the right side. The left part display you the different drives which we are having, like C drive, E drive, my computer, desktop and all that option, and the right portion display you the content of that particular folder or the drive. For example, as I click on this folder, so it will show you the information about this folder. As I've clicked on the desktop, so whatever the icons are presented on the desktop will be displayed to you. In the same way, as I click on the D drive, the information of the D drive will display on the screen. Now here you might be have noticed that it is coming in different form, like here the icons are coming in a very large size, here it is coming in the detailed information is displayed, here it is coming in a different form. Then how we can make the change, all these type of the changes, so we will discuss about it. Now for example, right now I am there in the D drive. So if you want to change the view, first you have to click at the view option. Students, there might be a small difference, as I'm just showing you over here, because in my system I'm having Windows 10 Pro, and in your system if you're having some other Windows like 7 or 10, it might be a little bit different, but you don't have to worry about it. Most of the things are same, only there will be a little difference. So here first click on the folder or the drive, then after this here in Pro 10 you have to click on view menu. After clicking on the view menu, then there are different options are given. Here's this given layout, different options are given. Right now I have clicked on the medium icon, medium. So here the folders and the files are displaying in the medium size. The name of the folders are coming here, that it, and these are the files names, files and their names. The files which are of the pictures, then they are coming in the form of a small icon, as you can see it over here. Like capacitors, this is a capacitor picture, this is a transistor, this is an integrated circuit, in this way. Now I'm changing the view of this, then large icon. Now the size of the icons are little bit increased, as now you can see it clearly that these are the folders. As you can see that some files are already there inside it, some of the portion of the files are shown to you here, and these are the files. After this I'm clicking on the extra large icons, and then the folders and the file size is increased. Now here it is displaying in the extra large icon view, and here you can see that the size of the folders and the files are increased. The next one is the small icon. Here it will coming in the form of the small icon, all the files and the folders. The next one, but here the preview is not shown, only the name of the pictures, name of the files are coming. Then after this, list will display all the items of the particular folder in the list form. As we make a list, then one item is written just below the another item. In this format it is displayed. But here also only the name of the files and the folders are displayed. The next is detail. Detail will give you the more information about the folders and the files, like on what is the last date of the modification, on which date it was modified, what is the type of the file, these are the file folders, all these are the folders. So here it is given in the type file folder. Then it is given JPG, HTML file, JPG file, means these are the images files and these are the HTML files. Then the size of the file is also given over here. That is what is the size of this particular file, because right now I have clicked on the detail, so the detail information is displayed on the screen. The next is style. So tile, it will display you the some of the information about the files, that what is the type of the file. As you can see it over here, that is heading 1 HTML file and the size is 149 byte, but it is displaying not in the form of the list, but it is displayed in the form of a tiles. The next one is content. Content will also provide you the information about the different types of the files which you are having in your system, their sizes. It's written already there, this is a size in separately. So in this way you can change the view of your files and the folders very easily. After this, the next topic which we are having is organizing files and the folders in Windows Explorer. And the first one is opening files and folders. If you want to open any file or the folder, then you just have to click it over there. If you want to change the view, fine, you can change the view. If you don't want to change the view, then it's not a matter at all. Then here I'm just clicking on the large icon. I want to open this particular file, then double click on it and the file will be displayed on the screen. So it's very simple. Just look at your particular file. Like I want to display this folder, double click on it, different files are shown you over here. Just click on the double click on the file and file will open on the screen. The next one is creating new folder. Sometimes we want to create a folder in Windows Explorer also. Now for example, right now we are having all these folder. I want to create a new folder. It can be created in any view. Here I have changed the view so you can easily understand. I have changed the view to the list. Now I want to create a new folder for our class. So for this purpose, I have to what the steps I have to follow. Here you may have noticed that there is a folder button towards the very left corner, top corner. Then as I click on it, the new folder is displayed on the screen. By default, the name of this folder is new folder. If you want to change the name, you just have to select it and type a new name. Like I want to give is X class 7. So now the new folder is created. So first method is that just click on the folder button. Okay, after this the second method. Now for example, this class 7 folder is created and I have opened this class 7 folder right now. So this folder is empty. Now for example, I want to create 6 more folders in it for each section. So one method is 1, 2, 3. 3 folders I have created by using this method. Second, right click where you want to create a new folder, select the option new and then select the option folder. Now 4 folder I am having. There is a keyboard shortcut for creating a folder also, that I will explain you now. For creating a folder, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus N. I want to create a folder here, so hold on the Ctrl key, hold on the Shift key and press the N key. New folder is inserted. So now we are having 6 folder, new folder 2, new folder 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this way a new folder can be created. All these folders I have created in class 7. So here I have expanded this. Now earlier this D drive was not expanded. This button is used to expand. As I click on it, all these folders are displaying over here and even class 7 folder will also be there. Yes, it is here. Class 7 folder is contains 6 more folder and these are those 6 folders. The next is renaming files or the folders. So folder which is coming over here is coming as new folder 2. I want to change the name of these folders. Then how to change the name of these folders? So first select the folder, then go to the home button, then click on the rename button. One by one I will there are different methods, 2 methods are there. I will explain you both the methods. I am repeating it again. Select the folder, then go to the home tab, then select the option rename. Now it is selected, delete it and type like 7th A. Okay, so now and press the enter key, folder name is changed. Again, I'm showing you. Select the folder. In the home tab, click on the rename button. It gets selected 7B. So this way the folder names can be changed. Now third folder, select it, delete it, 7C. So 3 folders name I have changed by using this method. Now the second method. Right click on the folder, select the option rename. The folder name is get selected, then 7D. Again I'm repeating, right click on the folder whose name you want to change, select the option rename, 7E. Right click on the folder, select the option rename, delete it and type a new name. So here in class 7th we are having 6 folders, 7th A, B, C, D, E and F. So here we have completed the topics and now the assignments. Question number 1. Name different views options to view the files and the folders in the Windows Explorer. You have to write only the names. You don't have to explain. Then question number 2. Write the steps to rename a file or folder. Any one method can be used.